Here's the chimp really close up to us. He's right next to us. Now watch what he does. He scratches a little bit. He's thinking about something. And he decides he wants to do something. Watch him. Here he goes. So he swings on down, walks along. Now watch what happens here. He finds this bowl. He scrapes it, slides it along the ground. He's like a toy. It's his new toy. He just slides it along the ground. I think gets another one. Okay, here he is. He sees this blue one. He doesn't do anything yet. He sits down and tries to think what's he going to do next. All right, it's there. So then, yeah, he has the bowl now. See, he's sliding that back and forth while holding the strap with his hand. Okay. He's looking at us there and looking at us. Okay. Then he gives us the cold shoulder. And then he lies along the ladder there, taking it easy, chilling.